Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Enable Secure Boot and TPM2. Zero in your BIOS, then boot into Windows 11. Once done, run Windows Update to fetch the latest feature and security patches so your system is stable. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account to sync settings, or create a local account if you prefer privacy. Choose what works for you. This initial setup saves time later and lets you access OneDrive, the Microsoft Store, and automatic device recovery when needed. Once signed in, open Settings and adjust core areas to match your workflow. Arrange taskbar and start to surface your top apps, then pin or unpin items so you reduce friction. This speeds daily tasks. Make sure to review privacy toggles, camera, microphone, location, and diagnostics, so apps only access what you allow. Finally, set storage sense and file history to prevent disk clutter and configure power plans for performance or battery life. These choices keep the system responsive and protected. Finish by installing essential apps and setting defaults. Choose Microsoft Store apps when possible for smoother updates. Create a system restore point and enable file history so you can recover files or roll back changes quickly. Once everything is set, test core functions, networking, printers, and peripherals. If something breaks, use built-in troubleshooters first, then boot safe mode to isolate drivers, and as a last resort use, reset with or without keeping files. This sequence minimizes data loss and speeds recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.